So in this video I'm going to replace this port. I have a brand new port here. I'm doing the replacement for this phone. This is a digital phone. Look at it. It's a DL4 something. I think it's 4 plus or something. It's quite popular in the Caribbean as well. So we are having a problem basically with the charging port. I tried resoldering the pins at the back. I was successful in doing so, but still seems as though there is some problem because the charging is cutting out. The charging port is very tight, but depends on how we put the charger, we are getting charged. So I decided then to just replace it. So there are different ways to go in about replacing these. I'm going to try and do so using hot air. So far the port is very hard to remove. But what we can do, we can apply low melt solder. I'm using a lot of heat now. We're not getting anything moved so far. So because I'm not getting anything moved, it's gonna create a lot of heat to do this job. I'm going to use some low melt. Easy. The melting point at 130 Celsius. Yeah. So I'm going to apply some and then I'm going to take it off. Very easy. Okay, it's very hot. Still gotta be a bit careful. So once we apply those, we can just remove this port with ease. I was gonna use a soldering iron. I think it will take a while to heat up. So I am going to just use the hot air. Using hot air can be more dangerous to your motherboard, as it can remove different components and you don't want that. So and that was easy, wasn't it? That was very easy. So we removed the old port. And for the new one, this is the new one. I am going to be using a shortcut. We have fresh solder on this, so once we use hot air, we should be able to put this on without a lot of work. So it's properly aligned. What I'm gonna do, I'm actually going to start by holding the hot air at a distance, and then I'm going down narrow. When it heats, you want to get it to drop. Plugged in the okay, let me just plug in this into the outlet, the cable, and it's plugged in, so it should light up now, and it should be charging. So basically it's just to put up the phone. Took longer than I expected, had a little fun. So it's actually charging, and we replace it with the right port. And do like, share and subscribe.